Right to information. A person goes to the police station and gives a written complaint. He expects that the police will take action. Days pass, then weeks pass, but there is no phone call, no written reply, and no clear update from the police station. He visits the police station again and again, asking only one thing: what happened to my complaint? What action has been taken? So, he submits another written application, this time specifically asking for the status of his earlier complaint. But, even after giving a written application for status, there is still no response. The person narrates his situation, and the another person responds.
Why are you asking the police like this? Go and file RTA petition. You may get the information properly.
At that moment, someone nearby gives him a simple but powerful suggestion. He learns that, under the Right to Information Act, a citizen can ask for official information in writing. So, he prepares RTI application and asks for the status of his complaint, the action taken, and related official information. He submits the RTI application to the concerned public information officer. Under the RTI Act, the department is expected to reply within the prescribed time, generally within 30 days. And this time, without repeatedly visiting the police station, he receives a response within 1 month from the date of the RTI application. When informal requests failed, RTI created accountability. Instead of chasing updates personally, he received official information in writing. If your complaint is ignored and repeated visits do not help, RTI can be a powerful tool to seek the status and action taken on your complaints. Do not remain in confusion. Ask properly. Ask in writing. Use RTI.